Sometimes I publish posts about raids on Kyiv. These air raids carried out by ballistic missiles, guided missiles, and drones filled with explosives. Uh, my friends, my Facebook friends, amicably advise us to go to shelter to save our lives and health. But I must confess that we never go to shelter. And now I explain you why. Uh, we know that staying at home sometimes it is very dangerous because of every day a lot of buildings, both industrial and residential, destroyed by these flying deaths, and many people injured and even killed by these missiles or drones. But it doesn't change our mind not to go to shelter. Um, you see, it is on several reasons. First, and the main one is that we have not reliable and suitable bomb shelter next to our flat, next to our flat that we rent. And first of all, when we hear signal of air alarm from our telephones, we go to some specific Telegram channel to let know why this banshee sounds, and for us it is very important to find out what is the source of its alarm and time of approaching of this flying object to Kyiv. Sometimes it's hours, sometimes just minutes, especially when Russians use hypersonic missiles. And in any way, in any case, we just go to corridor by the time of approaching of these things. Corridor is only one room in our flat that has not windows to prevent injuring us by pieces of flying glass. Sometimes we can use toilet. Toilet has not windows also, and you see, to go to shelter is impossible on physical and mental reasons, because it is impossible to live in fear and moving to and from shelters and to stay in shelter the whole day because of air alarm sounds several times a day. For example, today is Sunday, and today just maybe half an hour, the third air alarm finished. And you see, it is neither mentally nor physically is impossible to use shelter. And that's why we decided to accept this situation that is strongest than our desire to go to the shelter. And this is the way we live like this. And not only our family lives like this. I think that most part of residents of Kyiv don't use shelter. I don't know percentage, maybe 90, 95%. When I'm next to metro station, some metro station, I try to stay there, but I never, and we never go to shelter when we are at home. This is our life for more than nearly 3 years already. Okay, thank you for your attention. Bye, guys.